honor one another. So over and over again, I had these really delightful experiences with students and came away from the year unable to identify a single experience that was the highlight, but understanding in a very complete way something that I'd been told in my very first week at work. In fact, I might not even have been officially the president yet. It might have been in June of last year, but I remember having a meal, a lunch, with some alums from the 50s. And I remember asking them the question, well, what would you like for me to take away from this lunch about Wartburg? If you could tell me one thing you want me to know about Wartburg, what would you want it to be? And one of those alums who was there, Grace, said to me, I want you to understand how much Wartburg alums care for the college and how much they care for each other. And that stuck in my mind. I thought, well, that's an interesting sentence. Just an interesting sentence. I expected the first half. I didn't expect the second half. But what I found through the whole year of spending time with our students and spending time with alums all over the country, from from New England all the way to California, from Minnesota all the way down to Florida, what I learned was that she was telling me exactly the truth, that there is a reverence, a love for the college that also becomes a love for other alums. And you see that in the groups on campus who work with each other, student groups. You see that in the alums who work with each other. You see that everywhere, and it rubs off on us. Christy and I had the privilege a few weeks